Hello and welcome. My name is Christopher Flatt and this is my short presentation on what is CommisChef jobs at BecomeAChef UK, www.becomeachef.co.uk. So what is CommisChef jobs? So you've just taken your first chef jobs, it's your first CommisChef position, what can you expect? Okay, so let's start with the worst bits. Okay, cleaning stations. So you're going to have to do some cleaning. This could include cleaning the fridges out, cleaning the floors, cleaning the shelving and keeping it all nice and tidy. Assisting with stock rotation. Okay, stock rotation is really important when you're working in the kitchen. This helps prevent wastage and it really improves the gross profit or the profits of the kitchen. I will go on to that in the next slide in more details. Preparing vegetables and meat. So you'll be doing obviously a lot of work with food. Measuring ingredients. Now measuring ingredients is very important. For instance, if you're working on pastry, all the recipes will have set ingredients, set measurements that need to be kept exact so the food that is created comes out as it is expected to. Helping with deliveries. So the deliveries will come in generally in the smaller places and you'll be collecting the deliveries like the fruits or the breads, the vegetables, and you'll be storing them in the fridges correctly. Assisting other chefs. So you'll be helping other chefs on their section to do their jobs when needed. So what is stock rotation? As mentioned previously, let's go into stock rotation because there can be some confusion about it. So I'll just use my arrow here. So the delivery comes into the venue, let's say the kitchen, for example, by a little delivery man, and then it needs to be stored in the storage. So this could be fridges, it could be a dry store, for example. Now so you store the newest to the back. Now what I mean by that is, let's take these pineapples in our little store here. So for instance, these pineapples at the front may have came in on delivery on a Monday. So these ones are being used on Tuesday, but they came in on delivery on a Monday. Now the guy who's put these on the shelf and has made sure that these are the ones that came in on the Monday. Now we had the delivery of pineapples on the Tuesday, it came into storage and we needed to use them. So our delivery of pineapples that came in on the Tuesday are now put on the shelving, but they're put behind the pineapples that came in on the Monday. This means the Monday pineapples will get used first and the next day's pineapples will get used next. This is called stock rotation. So on our little diagram I put store newest to the back, this is what I mean, and oldest to the front. I use the word oldest, however it's not old food, it's just the oldest that came in from delivery. So, and then once we've got it all set there, we use this in the kitchen, in the fridges. So you get a delivery of, say, pineapples, and then the chef has the oldest pineapples to use up first. They won't be old, they'll still be fresh and good to use, but the chef will be happy because he knows that his foods are becoming delivery correctly and he's using the correct foods. Now, stock rotation is really important because it helps prevent less wastage, and this in turn helps to improve the profits of kitchens. This is a really, really important area in every single kitchen to achieve the gross profits that are needed to run a successful business. Okay, so what is CommisChef jobs? Just a quick look at the like preparing vegetables. So peeling potatoes, do a lot of that. Picking spinach, peeling carrots, peeling onions, many variety of onions we need peeling, chopping herbs and slicing peppers. There are many jobs, this is just a selection. So thank you very much for listening to my short presentation. You can find me at www.becomeachef.co.uk, BecomeAChef UK. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video and thank you very much.